programa Ouch Palangi Show.
Right. Sa nabito ko naman na BSP, kay
Bunges.
proud sponsors of the
Fijian Rua.
Right. Sandra naman na turanga.
Yan na.
Naman ito kanimika galong bulan.
Sam turang tani ko
Tanding
Bentar ya turang
iyo. Ngona yang ngartaw kanibyo kinamena koro.
Tandi.
Nanumikina pa bimbibi kiwa. Ini mbula minang nanon tadi bito kani. Thank you very much for your beloved home of Fiji.
Uy.
Beloved nation.
Right.
Beloved wife, beloved daughter, beloved husband.
Right.
Beloved beloved pet. Beloved lautale.
Iya.
Beloved house.
Okay, lautale.
Beloved home.
Village.
Beloved village. Beloved farm.
Right.
And beloved food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beloved set.
Beloved set.
Beloved leg.
Billy Shimanu yang Raminaka all the way from Fiji. Thank you very much.
Yanda nili.
Yeah.
Who else?
Elsewhere.
Elsewhere there.
Okay.
And Bulabinaka to you, Millie. Thank you so much for watching us.
Right.
And to all of you watching, drop a comment.
Alright.
Drop a comment. Just say hi to us.
Right.
Explain where you attend during school time.
Yes. Myself, I attend the school
Uy.
School.
in
Inuani ang very school.
No.
Ayan.
In 3 years,
Right.
the school.
Iya. Wala tiletan di ba ro pambibinga bei onganengu.
Right.
Hey, Bulabinaka.
Mil nerelebu yang Raminaka Bless Wednesday.
Bulabinaka.
Kosita. La tiletan di ba. Tadi pas ruti ba lolo na ci ongo
Oh, sindi ka
Yes.
na.
You know, when you eat the roti bakalolo this kind of weather,
Iya.
it's very good.
Iya, why?
I think one
Betul na ito na kaya na ito na kobek na
Yes.
tasal bala mga begitu. Are gude. Gude to game de ramadu magare sono kuli me kari. Ito iya bata dogi da duga gude taste mo.
Yo, ako samanta sa ko mo korti balolo ko na ipola pola nungku fatala ya.
Iya.
Wala
Sa na telepon do tangir. Ka mo las juga itu ba.
Wala ko na ipola pe non talomani.
TFM Ouch Palangi, Vito Kodikina o Bunges, proud sponsors of the Fijian Rua, KBSP, unsecured personal loan.
Ano mga kabisigan na matakabi na likuha yung kola weekend and matakabi na kandiday and wasiningaw na ni Ouch Palangi Show. Ano ba ito ko ni Mbangge to talk a warmis of the lady BSP. What the kay ni?
Bunges.
Right, the proud sponsors of the Fijian and Rua.
Yeah, right.
So, magkamunod na turang. Nung wala kamunod na sige, na camera, ang buto tanjin.
It's because of us from Bonoli friendly love.
Yes, yeah, Fernando.
Yeah.
Iya.
You know, in Bulalebu,
No any other place in Fiji is friendly.
Iya.
Except for friendly love.
Because-
Lelebu, you are known for what?
For big.
in Bulalebu,
Yeah.
you got friendly love
Yes.
and the friend of him.
Uy, you to the hotel.
Junior ang bola tangin ni
Yeah.
Mabibing nga ba Samu aka Piggy.
Alright.
Makatawa.
Yup.
Toli ka ko beso balay na singa.
Hey,
Right.
And also to one of our friend.
Let's know what iPhone.
iPhone. This one
Wait.
is Pina.
Wait.
Yeah.
That one is another Samu or me?
No,
Which
another
one?
Samu.
Another Samu?
Iyo.
Oh, yo.
Another some from this studio.
Right.
Pina Tinitale and
brother.
also to
Look there.
Leofina Cox and
Right.
also to Kalusi
Mhm.
joining from Lokia today.
Right.
And the family in Nabolau,
Yeah.
Negasiri,
Right.
and Alewa Moli.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for ripening this kind of weather.
Wait, have you tasted that one?
Which one?
That one from Nablo?
The Karo?
Yeah.
Oh, that one for everyday living.
Oh, you bali taken from the kulina. Tode bakarewa yan Russia mula ka buka tedi nafi Tina bulare. Hey, this gang want to listen to that story, Samuel?
Hey, no. Debesi.
Before we start with the story, first of all, we want to know where we attend.
Was attending the Monisabu District School.
Come again?
This the Monisabu District
Where
School.
is that?
Where is
That's
that?
right from the interior of the
Okay.
bus,
Okay.
and after the bus, class 8,
Yeah,
one school and the bus again.
who's bus?
Nandongo.
Oh, nandun ko
Nandongo Civil College. And there,
Yeah.
No
it's,
one, I look like the Mindongo.
no.
Uy,
There, Nandongo is the dangerous river in Fiji.
why?
Why?
All that
What he's known for?
Because of the Tegasak.
Oi.
Oh, take us there.
Yeah, that's the Wanikoro River. The Wanikoro River is a dangerous river in Fiji.
OMG.
Okay.
Oh, you don't know?
Okay.
We all know only that this river is a real river.
No.
Bonolebu. Yeah.
Only Bonolebu.
Right, come again.
And I was there in Form 3,
Yeah.
and after my Form 3 there,
Repeat the times.
now Form 5, Form
Yeah.
4,
Yeah.
I jump into Form 5, and then I come back to Form 4. And one thing they say,
Come again. Slowly, come again.
Form 3,
Form
Form
three.
5, and jump again to Form 4.
yes, this is the brain.
Boy, you look like a chess leader.
Oh, and one
Only
different
true
stuff. Head. And then I see, and one thing. From there,
Yeah.
because live in the bush, come to the bush from the tree,
Please come to town. Where again?
and come to town.
Yeah.
And town there's different story.
Hmm.
Everybody they say hi.
Yeah.
Yes,
Whose school? What school?
whole family.
Whole family.
After all the family, then I went to All Saints Secondary School.
Okay, why is that moving from the bush in Waturo to Nandongo? Nandongo to the town.
The follow practice the Kalahari people.
No.
Want to go.
Yeah.
Settle here. Go. Settle here. Go. Settle. Now in Suva. After this, let us hear it.
I want to go west.
Nambuka lo me. Karo-karo.
And what about you, Michaela? What about you, Michaela?
Oh, myself, I just, I didn't finish my school.
Huh? Why?
Yeah, because,
Empty. Upstairs.
myself primary there, London. Eh?
So they used to say empty vessel, eh?
Yeah, make more sound. This one.
This
This one. You carry on.
Yeah, only primary, because I came to London.
Okay,
Yeah.
right.
And then after that,
Dum-dum.
no, not to be before St. Vincent's College, not to be junior.
Tell Junior.
Only up to Form 4. When you Form 4, you senior, prefer head boy.
Started that.
Yeah,
So-
that time.
Which position you apply?
No, head boy.
Yeah, by that time you were slim, eh?
Yeah, slim.
Yeah.
Not
And what
slim.
you ate? What you
Not
ate?
slim. Skinny.
Okay, tell the story.
Okay.
No, it didn't tell
Hey,
them.
where you are? Where you school?
I'm schooling in our village.
Wait, what village?
In Ratuluke Memorial School.
Oh, this is
Look, you can speak English, eh?
Yeah, so what do you think?
Because lots of
that's how you learn how to Palangi.
Arat. Myself, Ratuluke Memorial School. We joined Ratuluke Junior Secondary School.
Oh, okay,
From
okay.
there to Lomaybuna High School.
Wait,
Hey,
5.
wait, ni rato lo kay na Mbua?
Who are you?
And then lumay mo.
what did I see?
Who are you?
Very, that's fine.
Yeah.
Wait,
From there, because of Ginger.
wait. Wait, kung ano kali ba na Jinja?
From there, Lomaybuna High School, I joined back to Ratuluke Secondary School.
Go repeat again.
Yeah, repeat again
Okay,
there.
okay. Look there.
Messi.
Ratuluke Junior Secondary School.
Mhm.
From there, from 7. Are Jao Lambasa, Ganakato.
Hey, the Messi.
Wait,
I had the story that you ducks from there.
not ducks, duck.
Duck. Yeah, this fella.
Yeah.
This fella from Lambasa, eh?
Yeah.
Lambasa, this fella.
Oh, sini mi Lambasa.
Yeah. Two friends, eh?
Yeah.
Two friends from Lambasa, and one is Buktusai,
Yeah.
and
Oh, that's the story.
no,
Okay, yeah.
it's a story.
Right.
In Bonolebu,
Yeah.
some of us, when we call the Tukai
Yeah.
or the Kuku,
Yeah.
Where?
we used to search for it.
Okay.
Buku.
Huh?
Buku.
Oh, very
Buku
dangerous.
Tai.
Oi.
Kuku.
It's sound meaningless,
Yeah.
but for us it's okay.
Very
because-
stupidity.
Because of dialect.
Continue, my
Buku.
friend.
And, Buku. And this young fellows, Dayal,
Yeah.
and Tusai,
I think we
they were
share.
friends.
Okay,
Yeah.
right.
Okay.
And this one, Dayal want to always respect Tusai, eh?
Okay.
And used to say,
Oh, like politely.
Politely.
Right.
Buku, that's called grandfather.
Right.
Tusai,
The name.
the name,
Yeah.
and Baya,
Yeah.
in our friends' dialect,
Right.
it's
Hindustan.
brother.
Yeah.
Brother.
Right.
So, grandfather Tusai, brother.
You're right.
Used to, yeah. All my family from England,
Right.
they come to Fiji.
Yeah.
And they want, my cousin brother and my brother, they used to see the breadfruit.
Baka many all the brother from England eh? Pakai mene-mene?
All my brother, my family, and my brother from England, they come to Fiji, and they used to see the breadfruit on the photo, and they want to
Iwala breadfruit mamam karoyar.
and they want to come to Fiji and taste the breadfruit before they go back. Don't worry. See, tomorrow you bring one basta, one braskata, one basta tanga, one tanga, one sack, and we bring it so we can go and collect the breadfruit. O'clock in the morning,
Come.
when Bukutu Saibaya was sleeping, and the wife, the wife had the knock, and he said, "Hey, Bukutu Sai, wake up! Someone is." Hey, tomar bayang awe. Tum kunci awe. And then Bukutu say, "Oh, the dayal."
Nandongo.
Hey, dayal, kasi. What you mean that? And he said, "No. I came because of the
Nariel.
not Nariel." Are you no, for the breadfruit. Before they went to collect the breadfruit, Bukutu Saibaya do his thing.
Oi, what?
Brief. Listener. Bukutu Saibaya do his thing. Brief.
Hurry up with your story.
Come on.
Come on, when you go there, you have to talk. Because this is not my breadfruit. This breadfruit is from Simone.
Oi, another fella.
Oi, nana imbumuse mo na bunyuto.
Yeah, Uruto. And
Buta kongo.
Dale said, Bukutu Saibaya,
Yeah.
you going to steal?
Yeah.
True.
Halak asam ni.
And Bukutu Saibaya said, don't worry. It is worry about the family from England. And when they went there,
Bring the chocolate.
bring the chocolate and everything. When they went there, one thing Dale failed. Dale, when see the breadfruit was very ripe, damu dewinakai. There's a lot of breadfruit here. Breadfruit is very, what you call the malumu? Dew. What you call? Ripe. And after that, they said, say, don't talk. This is just how my this is. Next time I don't talk. This come 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Again. Do it. Bukutu Saibaya. And then Bukutu Saibaya was saying like this, and he saw one beehive behind. Murnibi na beehive. On the side. Is very photo. Same time. Countdown. Line another. And we say, and when he was climbing, just past the Bukutu Sai, and he saw
Another breadfruit.
the bee, the bees they flying, and he said, Bukutu Saibaya, the breadfruit to fly, and same time the bee attack, Dale, and Dale was falling,
And Bukutu Sai to fall.
right to down from the bottom, and Bukutu Sai jump over from the top. Yeah.
And then Dale got another breadfruit.